As many Americans continue to worry about jobs and affordability, President Trump is turning his attention back to the economy. As ABC's Karen Travers reports, the president is in Michigan today, visiting a Ford plant and speaking to Detroit's Economic Club.
President Trump in Michigan to promote his efforts to boost U.S. manufacturing, touring a Ford factory in Dearborn that makes F-150 pickups, the best-selling domestic vehicle in the U.S.
All of the U.S. automakers now are doing great, and before they were having a really hard time.
His visit to Michigan comes as new numbers out today from the Consumer Price Index show that inflation continues to tick higher, up 2.7% in December compared to a year ago. It's in line with expectations, but the Fed wants to see it at just 2%. Prices are still high in many categories, especially certain grocery items like coffee and beef. Speaking to the Detroit Economic Club, President Trump touted the data.
Under our administration, growth is exploding, productivity is soaring, investment is booming, incomes are rising, inflation is defeated, America is respected again like never before, and other than that, we're not doing that well.
President Trump continues to push the Federal Reserve to lower interest rates. Fed Chair Jerome Powell claims that push for lower rates is behind the Justice Department's new criminal investigation into Powell's testimony about extensive renovations at the Fed headquarters.
He's billions of dollars over budget, so he either is incompetent or he's crooked. I don't know what he is, but certainly he doesn't do a very good job.
Democrats are calling the investigation bogus.
Donald Trump is clearly angry that his own presidency has been a disaster for our economy. So he's looking for a scapegoat, and he thinks Jerome Powell can be one.
Even some Republicans are expressing concerns about a probe into Powell. Senate Majority Leader John Thune said the charges better be real and better be serious, and he asked the administration for a briefing on the investigation. Karen Travers, ABC News, the White House.